Emotional freedom technique, otherwise known as EFT, is a method of tapping on the acupuncture meridians to stimulate them while repeating certain phrases related to the chronic thought to release the associated emotion. While remembering events from the past, you may feel emotions such as shame, pain, guilt, fear, anger, rage, or sorrow. While anticipating the future, you may experience emotions such as anxiety, worry, fear, anger, depression, and loneliness. These emotions and these events aren't actually currently happening, but the physiological response and the way you feel is very real in the current moment. The release of the emotion will diminish the physiological response as well as the grip or the hold that it has on you, allowing you to come to the table with more of a clean slate and be able to handle current situations from a less stuck standpoint. Within minutes of learning the technique and completing the first round, relief starts to occur. Knowing that it isn't necessary to actually re-experience the pain, we typically clear several emotional issues during the first appointment, and that may be just enough for you. In subsequent sessions, we usually delve a little bit more deeply into the thoughts and emotions that hold you hostage and begin to clear the path for true emotional freedom. You can expect ExistUp EFT to heal and release the following: all emotional and physiological responses to past, present, and future emotional traumas, including, but not limited to, guilt, shame, rage, fear, pain, hate. Also, you can use EFT to help with cravings, addictions, anxieties about the future, anxieties about the present, anxiety in general, phobias, fears that you would not consider phobias, such as a fear of public speaking or fear of flying, limiting beliefs, such as I want to do this but I can't because of X, Y, and Z, athletic performance ruts where you've just gotten stuck in the same pattern over and over again. We can clear out that emotional baggage that keeps you stuck. EFT also allows for forgiveness of oneself and others. When you refuse to forgive a situation, an event, or a person, or people, or even a higher power, you hold yourself in the emotional state related to that. Forgiveness allows us to let go of our attachment to that event or person or whatever the case may be. So forgiveness isn't actually for them, it's for us to release those feelings. The other person doesn't even have to know you forgave them. The event doesn't need to know it. It's for you. Forgiveness is a selfish thing. So if you have an issue that's bothering you, such as anxiety, financial stress, athletic performance ruts, phobias, addictions, self-doubt, low self-esteem, post-traumatic stress syndrome, EFT works amazing for post-traumatic stress syndrome, chronic pain, chronic fatigue, anger issues, loss of a loved one, so deep sorrow. Through ExistUp EFT sessions, we can unburden you from the weight of these issues and maybe even tackle a few more. Relief is possible. Take a step or a giant leap to live to your fullest potential and exist up with ExistUp EFT.